Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make game installation faster. So first I'm going to open the setup, click on that, go on to the show more options, go on to the properties, and first you need to go on to the compatibility, select this one, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on this, run this program as an administrator. Then you simply need to click on apply and OK. Once you done that, you simply need to click on change high DPI settings and click on this option, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK again. Once you done that, then the next option is you need to go into the properties, go into the security, select the system, click on edit and give full control and click on apply and OK. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.